Hey, we're coming to you with a special edition. It's a tailgate indoor smoke. Texas Twinkies, indoor smoker, tailgate. Let's get to it. All right, so I'm following a recipe again here for smoked Texas Twinkies. And what we're doing is we are cutting the peppers, taking out the seeds and the veins, and then we're gonna rinse them. So I'm just kind of cutting a T. So I'm cutting the base, right? So cut a T, and then peel it open. Take the seeds and the veins out as best you can. We're gonna mix our ingredients together for the stuffing for the peppers. We've also sliced, seeded, and rinsed all of our jalapeno peppers, and all of our fingers and lips and eyes are burning, so ignore the tears. All right, let's get this stuff in the mixer. I need 16 ounces of softened cream cheese. I've had this sitting out on the counter for a little bit, so it's kind of soft. I'm gonna use my mixer here to make this whole process easier. You've seen this before in some of the other videos. If you have access to one, it will make your life much better. Now we're gonna go in with our chorizo. All right, so what I've done is I've skillet fried the chorizo, and we're gonna use that on the inside. This is like, again, 16 ounces or so. We're gonna do about 2 cups of Gouda. Throw some Gouda in here, I'm gonna shred it. I'm gonna go for most of this brick. I'm very Gouda at shredding cheese. My recommendation is buy it pre-shredded. This is really hard. This is a straight up workout, man. Okay, good enough. We'll just share the rest. That's 2 cups. Barbecue rub. Choose your favorite. I've got a FirstBuild all-purpose barbecue rub here. Ingredients are secret, written right on the label. I can give them to you if you want them. It's pretty darn good stuff. I don't know, use as much as you want. All right, let's mix it. Okay, so now we're gonna stuff these peppers, and then, so step 1, I'm gonna do this as a batch process. I'm gonna stuff each pepper, and then I'll wrap them in the bacon next, which is gonna be the best part. All right, so that looks pretty good. So stuff it full, and then set it aside. Yeah, that T-cut, that's pretty smooth, I like that. Oftentimes this is done with brisket. Chorizo is an option. I happen to have some chorizo. I didn't have a brisket that I had smoked that we hadn't already eaten, so we went with the chorizo route, but we're gonna smoke the whole pepper with the bacon and all, so I think it's gonna be just a fine substitution, but brisket, I think that would be your first choice if you have it available to you. Gives you a good reason to go smoke a brisket. Let's get these wrapped. So for this step, we're gonna need bacon. Choose your favorite, make your own if you want. Check out our other videos if you want to see how to make it. We're gonna take some good thick cut bacon. All right, the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna lay it down. I'm gonna do a roll. I'm wondering if I should use 1 or 2 toothpicks. 1's probably good, don't you think? And then repeat. All right, our Texas Twinkies are wrapped. Let's get them out to the tailgate party. Okay, so let's get this started up. We've got our pellets. We've got our fresh water. We're ready to go. All right, here's what we're gonna do. 250 degrees in the cavity for about 3 hours, smoke level 5. I'm gonna check them. I don't know that they'll take the full 3 hours. So let's start it up. Got our water, got our pellets. Now we're preheating. Okay, let's get them on the racks. I can fit 3 across. I guess what we're gonna try. May not need to, I may space them out. That looks pretty good. Hey, so I made a decision. It's kind of late in the day, game's gonna start in a little bit. No. We bumped up the temp to 275. I feel like that's gonna get us, I don't know. I'd like to see this done in about 2 hours. I'm shooting for 2 hours. What do I wanna do? Do I wanna go high? Yeah, I think I'm gonna go high. we're done. Hour and a half at 275, that's the sweet spot. Check these out. All right, I'm going in on this one. Still pretty hot, so there's a chance I'm gonna burn my mouth, but that's okay. I'm just gonna start at the end. The pepper's really softened up in just an hour and a half. It is spicy. Smoky, cheesy, bacony. That's a good appetizer there. I would have this at any tailgate and love it. So there you go. There's a tailgate recipe for you. Texas Twinkies on the indoor smoker. Remember, we use chorizo. You can use brisket if you've got it. And it's pretty easy. So maybe 20 minutes of prep and about an hour and a half in the smoker at 275, smoke level 5. And we got this beautiful spread. All right, so check out the Facebook group for the indoor smoker. Links below for if you need to buy a smoker or you need pellets or you need drip trays, any of that stuff. We got you covered. Until next time, keep smoking, enjoy those tailgates, and we'll see you again soon.